Google Meet's chat feature lets you send messages to other participants during a video meeting. To send and receive chat messages, click the chat icon. Chat messages are visible to everyone in the meeting. Hosts and co-hosts can stop participants from sending chat messages. Host management needs to be enabled to do this. To disable this option, click the Host Controls icon at the bottom right, and then toggle off Send Chat Messages. You can pin a chat message so it remains visible to anyone in the meeting, even if you leave and rejoin later. To pin a message, hover over it. At the top right of the message, click the Pin Message icon. To unpin the message, hover over it again, and click the Unpin Message icon. Messages sent before you join the meeting will not show up unless they are pinned. For more help, visit the Google Meet Help Center.